Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystem.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get it started. Not a very good week. Week before was like 20, 21 trades. This week, not even 10. Very bad week, but I'm expecting big volatility next week. So and I'm getting ready for that. So let's see how the week went. This is the week started on the 11th, and this is the first trade, pound yen 20 minute, and it came down here. Not too much. It's 50, I mean 70 pip. Pretty, not bad, right? The second trade was on the 13-12 was gone with nothing. Buy order here, Nasdaq from here to here, and this is gold trade from 2166 to 2174 on the 13th. You can see my buy order here, and I sell move to break even plus. Before I close the trade, I usually take the pick to show, right? So this is how it is. This is my entry right here with the setup taken by the EA. I place an EA there. I made an EA, so it takes the trade when the setup is ready. So now this one is on the 14 US 30, 20 minute. This is the beautiful entry here, and then all the way down here. Sell orders right there. And this one is USD yen 20 minute. It went up 15 on the 15, 75 pip. And I have like euro yen, pound yen, and all of that open right now. But they are only like 35, 40 pips, something like that. So before, below or less than 50 pip, I don't even make the chart or close the trade. So I'm sitting on break even, and let's see what happens next week. Maybe I'll close when at least I have 60, 70 pip each. And then pound Aussie on the 15th, beautiful entry here by the book, and it went all the way to 90 pip. And only these are the trades right now. But like I said, then I have some trades open, and they are not much in distance. So 35 pip, 40 pips. So I just let it run and then see what happens next week. All right, so this is it, and let me show you that the reason that let's say a pound yen, not pound yen, but basically pound, USD yen, right? USD yen long trade. I had only one of them because yen was taking to the upside. Let me show you if I have the chart. So this is the chart I made that yen index is going to the upside, but not too much. It's going to be going from here to here to make like a head and shoulder pattern here. So left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and I was expecting that, and I think up after that I will be expecting a down move, right? So what happened to this chart so far? We closed on Friday like this. So it went up there, right? And that's why I only have like a USD yen trade long side, right? All the other pairs they were turning, but before even they give me the entry, I have, like I said, euro yen, CAD yen, and pound yen long right now, but not too much in the pivot. And they might make the turn to the downside, to be honest with you. I have made a new chart showing that the target for this index is all the way down here, and then US yen is going to get strong, and all yen pair will be going down. So I will take my short trades next week in pound pairs, all pound pairs, and I'll show my trades later on. All right. So this is it for now. Just wanted to share with you guys that this is how my system work, and if you like the system, if you like what you see, you want to go on my website, creativetradingsystem.com, and subscribe. You have one-on-one there. You have harmonic pattern course. You have Elliott wave course. All of that to learn. All right. So this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time.